In this video, I will reveal to you how to sexually attract girls in 6 ways. But at the end of this video, I will show you 3 flirting tips to use on girls that will eventually make them love you, no matter what. Before we dive in, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. It doesn't cost you any money. Thanks if you have done so. So, let's get started. Number 1, confidence is king. Confidence isn't about bragging. It's about believing you're worthy. Think of someone you admire. What makes them seem confident? It might be their good posture, the way they speak clearly, or how they laugh without holding back. Focus on what makes you awesome. Practice good posture, find a hairstyle you like, and wear clothes that make you feel comfortable and stylish. Number 2, kindness is key. Everyone appreciates being treated with respect. Hold the door open for someone. Offer a helping hand and avoid mean-spirited jokes when you're kind. It shows you have a good heart towards her, and that's magnetic. Number 3, laughter is the best medicine. People love to be around those who can make them smile. Don't try to be a comedian, but if something funny comes to mind, share it with her. Being playful and finding humor in everyday situations is a great way to connect. Number 4, be a great listener. Imagine talking to a brick wall. Not fun, right? When she talks to you, give her your full attention, make eye contact. Ask questions about what she was saying, and avoid interrupting. Girls appreciate feeling heard and understood. Number 5, take care of yourself. This isn't about looking perfect for someone else. It's about respecting your own body and health. Shower regularly, wear clothes that fit well, and get enough sleep. Taking care of yourself shows you value yourself, and that's an attractive quality. Number 6, be yourself with a cherry on top. Having passions and interests makes you interesting to her. Are you into music? Talk about your favorite bands. Do you love building robots? Share your latest project with her. When you share your passions, you open the door for her to share hers, and that's how connections are built. Now, let's get to the magic flirting tips. The 3 flirting tips I'm about to show you now. Work magic and you will be happy you used them. Number 1. The guys have it. Make eye contact and hold it for a few seconds, then smile. A genuine smile is way more attractive than a forced grin. Number 2. Find common ground. Notice something you have in common and strike up a conversation. Hey, I noticed you're reading that same book I loved. What do you think of it so far? Number 3. Compliment power. Notice something you genuinely like about her personality or style, and give a compliment. That jacket looks awesome on you. Where did you get it? But be sincere, and avoid anything too personal or creepy. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you haven't done so. See you later.